Hey, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ava. I'm a mom of two boys. I have a 3-year-old and a 2-month-old. And I've recently become a part-time reseller of clothing on the Poshmark app. It's been an adventure. I've done a few experiments. I have some lessons I've already learned in my short time as a reseller, which I will break down in another video for you. But I'm super excited about today's video because it is another Reseller Mystery Box unboxing. I just picked this bad boy up and I'm so happy because I ordered this from Ashley from Everydaystyle. Thank you, Ashley. If you know Ashley, then you know how awesome she is. If you don't know Ashley, here is her Instagram, her YouTube. Definitely check her out. She's amazing. She's a boss in the game. She's a new YouTuber, but she's an experienced reseller, and that's why I ordered this box. Also because she's just the sweetest. Like, I've never met her in person, but I feel like I know her from watching her videos and interacting with her on Instagram. She's just so supportive. She is just the biggest sweetheart. I don't have to have met her in person to know that. It's just what it is. So anyways, that's my Ashley plug. Thank you, Ashley. I'm so looking forward to seeing what's in this box. So let's get started. Okie dokie. So the first thing is, well, first I'll just show you what the box looks like. But first thing is an Athleta workout tank. I believe here's what the tag looks like. Yes, nylon polyester. It's like a lacy, purpley workout top. Super cute. The next thing, I think it's Mech. I see this M. And I love this color. It's super hot right now. Oh no, it's Miss Me. Miss Me. This M made me think of Mech denim, but it's Miss Me, size 25. I have never picked up Miss Me. Every time I see them in the thrift store, they're the regular denim with the bedazzled pockets, and they're always marked up to like $15. I'm not gonna pay that much for something that I'm gonna resell. So, but this is cool. Hot color, hot style. It's a skinny style, so that's amazing. Ooh, I got a little Poshmark sticker. Little Poshmark swag. Okay, let's see. This is a skirt. Tiny is the brand. Oops. Here's the tag. So let's see. I think it's a skirt. Is it a skirt? It's like a faux wrap skirt. Yeah. It kind of looks like a wrap, but it's not. So it's a faux wrap skirt. Cute. Okay, next we have a Columbia top, and it has the Columbia logo on the arm. Let's see, sportswear company. So yeah, this is another workout top, I guess. It's coming out kind of bright on the camera, but it's actually a little bit deeper color red in person. Okay, so this is fun. It looks like some Christmas lights, leggings. Is this LuLaRoe? Yes. LuLaRoe. Just in time for the holidays. So that should be fun. I have not picked up LuLaRoe. I've heard such mixed reviews. Some people say it doesn't sell anymore. Some people say certain styles sells. Just a lot of people have a lot of things to say. But, okay. This one is a Nike jacket. Thermofit. Love me some Nike. It's a size small. It's funny because I've actually recently started picking up a lot of athletic gear. I just sold a bundle of new Saucony leggings to someone. But yeah. Looks like one more workout top here, and this is a Lululemon. Let's see. Wet and dry, warm. I don't know if it has a size anywhere. Somewhere on here. It looks small. Anyways. Okay. Well, and it kind of looks more pink in the camera. For some reason, my lighting is a little bit off. It looks pink in the camera, but it's actually purple. So that was my box. So I got a pair of jeans, a skirt, 3 workout tops, leggings, and a jacket, which honestly I would keep this jacket for myself if it was a size bigger, because this is totally my style. It's a total of 7 pieces. One of the big questions that people ask about these mystery reseller boxes is it worth it? You know, are you going to be able to get your money back? Would you be able to do better if you were sourcing items for yourself? So there's definitely a couple things in here that I probably would not have picked up if I found them in a thrift store. I would pick up the jacket, I would pick up the jeans, and everything else I may or may not have picked up. I probably would not have, but that doesn't necessarily mean that they're not good items. I would not have picked up the LuLaRoe leggings only because there's just so much controversy about them, but I'm definitely going to list these in my closet, and I think they're going to sell because it's a fun item. Holidays are coming up, and someone is probably going to like them. As far as the Lululemon top, you know, this is definitely a popular brand. I will probably price this on the lower end of Lululemon tops because it seems like it's an older style. It has quite a bit of wear. There's just a lot of pilling on the inside, but you know, I think it's a good item, and I think I could still at least get some good money. I don't know much about Tiny, and this is not something that I would pick up mainly because it's not something I would wear myself, but someone else might love it. So, you know, when we talk about these mystery reseller boxes, when they're not huge new, when they're not hugely popular brands or new items, it's hard to say with 100% surety, like, yes, go order them. And the boxes vary. If you watched Little Black Hanger's unboxing of an Everyday Style box, she got a new Tags Betsy Johnson's dress. But if you watched Ashley's video explaining her reasoning for doing these boxes and answering some questions that she got, you know, she found that dress for $1 or something like that at a sale. So you just never know what you're gonna get in these boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got 7 items, like I already said, but mom brain, I forgot the number, so I had to recount again. Even if I sold every piece for $15 and, you know, got $10 profit after fees, I'm gonna make my money back plus a little bit on top of what I spent. So the box cost $30 plus shipping, so it was about $36 $36 or something like that. $36 or $37. So if you go by the standards of, you know, am I going to double my money? Maybe. Is it more convenient for me to open this box and list these items versus going to the store, rummaging through everything and trying to find my own inventory? Yes. So that's what we have to look at when we're trying to decide if these boxes are worth it. I am happy with my purchase. I'm happy with the items I got. I'm going to list them and I'll come back and let you know how they did. So if there's anything here you see that you want, I'm going to list my closet down below. Definitely just check out my closet. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you're on Poshmark, leave your closet name down below so I can go and share your items. Sharing is caring, and you know Poshmark is all about the shares. So we've got to keep the Posh love spreading. Thank you once again, Ashley, and I hope everyone has a great rest of your day. Thank you for watching.
I can't eat it.
Izzy,
Yeah.
come back. Step back. Say hi.
Hi. Tiger.
What? Oh, tiger. Okay, come back here, tiger. Come here, tiger.
I thought